I'm going to give you a complete review about a done for you system. I'm sure, yes, done for you, where people are banking on thousands of dollars every single month with just one funnel. Yes, you got it right. One funnel with multiple income streams. Let's have a look and check it out what it is. Hey guys, this is Arjuman. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a fabulous system which you will be amazed to see, because with one funnel, you will be having access to 4 different income streams. Watch till the end and stay connected to have a complete information of how you can earn thousands and thousands of dollars like many other people are doing right now. All right, let's get started. So as soon as you have a link of the multiple income funnel, the first thing what you will be seeing is this page. Okay, when you are on this page, you will be clicking on the video. Once you click on the video, you will be coming to this was the landing page of the funnel. Once you click on the video, you will be diverted to another pop-up which allows you to enter your name and the best email ID. Once you have entered the name and the best email ID, you will be diverted to this page where you will be seeing the creator of the system, who is none other than Mac Mills. He is the face of this system and he is the one who has created this complete system. However, the complete funnel is created by Traffic Authority, who is the creator of this funnel, but Mac Mills is doesn't require any more introduction, because he has a very good experience in the online industry, and he has created several systems like this. Okay, and this funnel itself, it's such a fabulous system which gives you access to 4 multiple income streams under one funnel. Okay, that's really an amazing, isn't it, guys? And once you have finished watching this video, you will just go and you will purchase this. You will pay only $49 every single month. Per month, you will pay only $49. And anybody who signs up from your link, you will be earning passive income every single month. $20 will be paid back to you as an affiliate commission. Okay, so every time anybody signs up through your affiliate link and they pay $49, as long as they are paying $49 every single month, the system is going to pay you $20 back. So you are earning passive. Okay, passively you will be earning every single month to be an affiliate of this fantastic funnel, which is multiple income funnel. That's the income stream number 1. Okay, the second one is the income stream number 2. Okay, and this income stream number 2 is the Easy One Up. Easy One Up has been in the online business for a very long time. Easy One Up is a complete digital marketing platform. Okay, and it provides an amazing digital marketing educational training videos, which is going to help you throughout your journey as an online marketer. Okay, as an internet marketer. Here with Easy One Up, the level starts from as low as $25 to even as a high ticket up to $2,000, which is of course the Elevation Elite. It starts from $25 and up to Vertex Live, which is of course the $2,000 level. It is always recommended to sign up at the 2000 level, so you get all the trainings of the digital marketing, starting from organic way of marketing to paid advertisements, be it YouTube ads, Google ads, Bing ads, Facebook ads, Twitter ads. It covers everything, you name it, including the ClickFunnels training. Everything is provided to you when you sign up at the 2000 level. Okay, the icing on the cake would be that when you sign up at the 2000 level as an affiliate, a very important thing is, like, you will be getting a complete free coaching from my side, which is going to be for 8 weeks of coaching absolutely free. Okay, if you sign up at the Vertex Pro level, then you will be getting the coaching for 4 weeks absolutely free. Along with this coaching, there is also a setup call which which will help you in monetizing quickly. There will be one-on-one coaching calls every single week. Okay, we can work out as per your schedule. You will also have access to me via the messenger for the next 4 months. So you will have a complete roadmap about how you will go about it once you are in the system. Okay, so I'll be sharing you with my complete knowledge, wisdom, experience, everything which I have as from so many years accumulated as a marketeer and also as an affiliate marketeer. I will be your coach. Once you have signed up, once you have activated, just send me a message directly on Instagram or on Facebook with the confirmation, and we will take it forward from there. All right. Now, moving on to the third income stream in the funnel, which is, of course, the text bot AI. This is an amazing text bot, which is definitely used for many businesses. The cost of this text bot is just $100, to activate this. I have activated all of my 4 income streams because I definitely did not want it to miss out on any commissions. That was the main reason for me to activate everything. And I honestly suggest you to do the same thing as well. All right. TextBot is an automated bot because everybody opens their messages on the phone within 60 seconds, unlike the emails. Sometimes when we do email marketing, people don't even open their emails, right? That's not going to be the same thing with the text bot. Text bot is going to be a very efficient tool, and it's a bot which will send instant messages on the phone via a SMS. Okay, so that's just for $100, and anybody who signs up through your link, you will be getting 100% commission as well. All right, and moving on to the fourth income stream, which is of course the traffic authority. Do not forget to watch the videos on every income stream because the videos are very helpful. They give you a complete roadmap about how to go about it. All right, traffic is the blood of the business, guys. If there is no traffic on any kind of a website, on any kind of a blog post, or any kind of an affiliate link, an e-commerce site, the business dies, isn't it? So for you to monetize it quicker and faster, you need to take advantage of the fourth income stream, of course, which is a traffic authority, and they have several packages, as you can see here. So the basic package starts from $220 to the diamond package over here. However, if you're able to afford it, it is always suggested to at least start with the gold package or the platinum package, so you will not be missing out on the commissions. Traffic authority also has their own commission structure. All right, basically you can be a reseller of traffic authority, and you can you can have these packages every single month. You can be a reseller by just paying $20 extra to the traffic authority apart from these packages. Once you have chosen the package, you have made the payment on via your credit card, you have to just set it up here. It's very easy. So you will just have to put your affiliate link here, and my affiliate link is this, which I have done it for traffic authority, and that's where it is showing up here. All right, so the traffic authority will send you clicks on your affiliate link. All right, so this is pretty much about this system with 4 income streams. Every income stream is promoted with only one link, so you don't have to give several links to your prospects, to your customers, because it's on autopilot. And people who are in this system, the system does the complete telling and selling for you, which makes the system itself an amazing platform. Apart from that, you can also see your leads in the lead section, whoever has signed up, whoever has opted in. All right, and you can see the resources. So Macmill has been very kind enough to give you with all the resources, including the email swipes, the Facebook posts, and the social media posts. Everything you can see in the resources section. All right, guys, so that's about it with the funnel. Don't wait, I have left the link in the description below of this video. Just go quickly, grab the link, pay the amount, and send me a direct message. Activate all your 4 income streams, and welcome to the world of earning. So I'm sure everybody in here wants to earn a good amount of money as a side hustle or as a mainstream of income, because affiliate marketing itself is a business by itself. All right, guys. So share this video with your friends, family, and anybody of your loved ones. Like it, okay, share it, and do comment below. I'll be coming up with many videos like this. Okay, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and turn on the bell notification. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.